In a major policy move, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development has joined forces with the Department of Homeland Security to prevent undocumented immigrants from accessing taxpayers-funded housing. HUD Secretary Scott Turner and DHS Secretary Kristi Noem signed the American Housing Programs for American Citizens Agreement, prioritizing housing benefits for American citizens only. Under the deal, HUD will assign a full-time liaison to the DHS Incident Command Center, creating an interagency system for data sharing and fraud detection. Turner emphasized that American tax dollars must serve American needs, especially in the midst of a nationwide housing crisis. Secretary Noem went further, accusing the Biden administration of giving priority to illegal immigrants. She declared that the gravy train is over. This partnership follows Trump's February executive order requiring federal agencies to identify and remove financial benefits extended to illegal aliens.